This is one of my favorite techniques to make your eyes look super big and bright and beautiful. You don't have to use purple. Choose any color that you like. But today, we're going to use purples and pinks and really just give the biggest, most brightest eye effect. Can't wait to show you this look. Let's do it together. If I'm doing a look like this and I want my eye to look big like this, like big everywhere, all the way around. I don't want it to just be elongated. I don't want it to just be an almond shape. I want it to be bigger, like it looks like my eye socket is bigger. Add just a base. I used the Bobbi Brown eyeshadow stick in the color Bone. This is not necessary, but it is helpful for me when I want a color to be nice and vibrant, or I just want it to be able to stay all day. Or maybe I just want to neutralize any veins or redness or anything on top of my eyelid. So I just go like this. I pull it all the way up, nearly to my brow. Nearly to my brow. And I go underneath as well, because I'm going to be putting the same color underneath. So I might as well add whatever I am going to put on the top to the bottom. Look at that. Then maybe I'll just kind of blend it out with my fingertip. Blend out the bottom like this. It's very quick. This technique, very quick. Now that I have that base down, I can go in with this color, whatever color you want to choose. Today I did eggplant, plum, and a little bit of a pink on the inside. Okay, so I'm going to take the eggplant color, your darkest shade, whatever darker shade you're going to use, even if it's just a taupe or, you know, a flesh tone, a beige, something like that, or a bronzer. All right, so I'm going to take it. I'm just going to start on this outer corner. Oh, yeah, that looks nice. And I'm going to, kind of with my eye half open, half closed, just so I can see where I'm going to work up. So I want to go kind of in the middle of my eye. You see how I'm not going just on the outer portion? I'm kind of working my way up. That's going to give me a great vantage point to where when you look at me, your eye is going to go boop, straight up here. So initially my eye is going to look very big. I'm going to look like I have a lot of space, a lot of brow bone. You're going to say, wow, that looks amazing. Her eyes are popping. Look at how long my eye looks from here to here. You know what I'm saying? Creates so much space. Okay, and then because I want to add definition on my bottom lash line, and I always like to pull my shadow down farther. I like to create a really large eye socket, top and bottom. All right, so I'm going to take the same exact color, and I'm going to go underneath. But I do want to have some sort of drama, so I'm going to add a little bit of that color on my bottom lash line, pressing it from my eyelashes all the way down to my socket line, just like this. See how there's like this little dip here? I'm going just to there. And don't worry, when you blend it, it looks nice and blown out, and it doesn't look like that harsh line. So then you can take your same little brush here, you can just go like this. Oh yeah. Oh, beautiful. All right, let's add a little bit more drama just up here on the top lash line, because like I said, I still want definition. I still want drama. So let's just go here like this. Let's go maybe to the middle. Ooh, okay. All right, let's blend that down just a little bit. And then I'm just gonna go like this. And I'm just gonna press whatever color I have left. And you see how I almost go like this? So I'm kind of making like a triangle up like this, and then I almost make like a swooping, dipping sort of triangle from here. So I go from here, this is my lowest point, and then I go back up. So the highest and lowest points are like this. So it makes my eye look super big and long, like you just went like this. Yeah, looks great. Okay, and then you can just take any other color that you want. I wanted to add a shimmer shade because it kind of breaks up the eggplant sort of, what was I calling this color? A grape. It's very grapey. I like grapes, so that's fine. Okay, so I'm going to take the Clinique High Impact Shadow Play in the shade Rose and Truffles. I'm only going to use the actual shadow part. This is already coated in eyeshadow when you take it out. And then I'm just going to close my eye, and I'm just going to coat everywhere. Like I said, this type of shimmer shade, because it's very sheer and it just gives you a bit of sheen, what it does is it kind of breaks up the shadow, so it kind of ends up looking not as dark. It looks very whimsical and really beautiful. I'm going to go underneath as well. And you see, I'm not doing anything revolutionary. I am simply just coating wherever I want to place this color. That's it. I'm going to go a little bit more. I can pull it up just a little bit. Yeah. That's pretty. All right, and then you can take your same blending brush and you can just blend it out. Soft, beautiful, easy, like this. Stunning. Last thing I did just for some brightness, just to kind of, like I said, break up the purple a little bit, is I took this beautiful, soft, fluorescent type of hot pink, and I just went like this, just in the corner here, and I pulled it up towards my brow, and I just went underneath just a little bit. It just adds a little something, you know. It looks like I tried a little bit harder, but really I was just rushing through the whole thing. This pink, like I said, it kind of breaks everything up, so it's really easy to just add it to the top. It looks stunning. There's no eyeliner needed, nothing. Add mascara, and you know what I did? You guys will be so proud of me. I actually filled in my brow. I did like 3 swipes of a brow pencil. So I'm going to do that quickly as well on this brow, and then add mascara. You're done. Mascara is on, and mascara really does complete the look because you're always looking at the tops of the lash. So it does a great job at just making the eye look bigger and brighter and beautiful. Yes, I really hope you enjoyed this look. Remember, you don't have to use purple. Purple was just something that I really wanted to test today, and I love the look. I love the outcome. So I hope that you enjoyed this look. You can use any color, experiment, have fun. I hope that you love it. Please let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you. Bye.